Right, I haven't made an unboxing video for a while. It's a little box, but I'm showing this unboxing because it was signed for and someone paid £8.05 to send this to me. It's quite a tatty box. Let's see what's inside. Now, if you pay £8 and something for sending, you have to assume that it's something very precious, because the insurance goes up to, I think, £50 or even more if it's a... How do you open this box? Seems to struggle. Well, I'm not going to use this box again because it's a rather poor quality box anyway. So let's see what's inside. So we've got here some toilet paper, nice. And then there's something which looks like some Tri-ang rolling stock and some more recycling stuff. So who does that? I wouldn't send this to anyone. So let's look what's in here. Oh, this is just spares and repair stuff. Looks like Airfix or even Jeff. So I've got an old Tri-ang brake van. Got a Jeff, which is more or less in good condition. Another one of these Jeff brake vans. And here is everything to fix the Tri-ang. And well, you can't really fix it. This part has broken off. Then in addition, we've got here, this looks like a TTR TRIX. Yeah, TRIX TTR LMS brown coach. Bogies are missing. This can be replaced. It's not too difficult. I will put some new ones in. Another one of these. I just like these old roofs where you can just open them and you can close them, and it's actually quite nice. But this is looks like good quality. Now, the reason I actually bought this is for the it's in a worse condition than I thought, but these are the smoking cars which go with the Davy Crockett engine. Unfortunately, here the platform is broken off as well. Otherwise it looks still alright ish. And the second one, platform is not broken off, just the stairs are missing really. Boogie is missing as well. It's a good repair project. And last but not least, that's another one of the TTR coaches. So now the reason why I'm showing this is because I don't think this is worth much more than the postage costs, which was over £8. I think that's probably 10-15 quid at maximum. Yeah, I think I paid £14. I don't know. In hindsight, I understand now why there weren't better pictures, because it just wasn't good enough to show nicer pictures. Got them. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.